What's up, everybody? This is my first mukbang. I think that's how you call it, mukbang. Anyways, I have just some butter sauce that I made, and some snow crabs and some corn. Nothing too big. I shouldn't even be eating this shit. It's actually about to be 10 o'clock at night. But hey, let's get to it. So, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, this is a ghetto mukbang. Look at this. What in the world is this? Like, am I missing like the whole crab? Maybe I overcooked them. This butter sauce is so. So, I'm really new to this. This too. I mean, you gotta dip this in this corn. It's just like, Okay, now I think I can talk now. I was gonna talk. You know how when you're eating something so good, you just can't even stop. You're just like, and think I didn't want to eat this, but I said, hey, so, this has, it's so garlicky, so good. So, I have no clue, like, really what to talk about. All I could talk about is what's really, like, going on in the world. And I really don't want to talk about that because that shit is stressful. Like, there's so much evil going on. Like, I don't understand what's with these parents, these people hurting these kids. It's sad. Like, like, I look at my son every day. I love him. He really like that like any other kid, but I can't see myself hurting my baby. Like, I don't get it. I know mental illness is at an all-time high, but I think people using that as an excuse is just like really, really some sick people in this world. So, yeah, I get to the crabs when I get to eating them. You know, I have to set it up to where I could communicate with folks and people could communicate back with me. But, so I can know more. But what made me do this is that it's just like up and down my timeline. That's all I see. And I'm like, damn, I stay fucking some food up. And I could do it my way. So, I'm trying to kill this little pot. Usually I have all kinds of seafood like clams and shrimp, but I was a little tired and Mm. Mm. How do you ladies get through your whole video and keep focus on your topic? Because I can't eat and talk at the same time. I can eat and talk. Look, I'm doing it, but mm, mm, I ain't even dipping on that one. I just had to. I had to get it. I know I told y'all this y'all ghetto mukbang. Mm, mm. I cook a lot of different foods. So I know how to cook. I cook good. Mm, mm, mm. Look at that butter. Mm. Look at that butter. Mm. I know my bed's about to come home. He gonna walk in and go like, "What the fuck are you doing?" Mukbanging. Mm. Mm. I wanted to talk about the world, but that's just depressing. So let's talk about some fun stuff, like Black Ink that I just saw. I believe that's it. I believe it's all scripted. Mm, 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 mm. I believe they need to stop it. You see, Kitty? That's how people be. You be thinking people your friends and shit. They turn on you in an instant. But Caesar, how you mad? Look at Ryan. I know he is the reason that you going to the gym because you was not hitting the gym hard. Ryan look good. Ryan is very fun. He's fun. Can't deny that one. I wouldn't blame this kid. I mean, dude, I feel like, you know what I feel? I feel like you and Teddy, y'all is some tender dick ass niggas. Like, y'all be having the nerves. Like, the nerves. Like, it was playing kid. She couldn't even say that she was really fucking with you on TV. Like, that shit's corny. And then you get mad because she come around a fine brother. He's fine. Well, you got hair now. He real fine. Don't you just want to play in it? I just want to play in it. Can I play in here, Ryan? It's like I got a boyfriend. I can't play in here. I wish I could play in here. But I can't. But, to the lucky ladies who get a little taste of Ryan, kudos, sister. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Rachel, I don't blame you, sis. I'll come back too. I'll come back too, sis. I can't lie. That damn Ryan, I'll tell you. Don cute too, but Don, you play too much. He, like, what's all with all this aggressive ass shit? You don't gotta get your point across like that, bro. But back to Ryan. Hey, Ryan. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. This shit was amazing. As I'm sitting here, you know, I'm getting down after crab. I know soon all this is gonna be over. And I can't do this mukbang shit every day. I'll be fat. What else can I talk about? Sky. 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 At the end of the day, you had them, boo. They know everything you used to do. And you used to steal. You said it. Sell national TV. You know, you say you should swallow him. That's not right. I understand. People be feeling some type of way, but for that, you just shouldn't even sat down and talk to the boys. Like, that hood shit. Like, I know hood people just like you. Shit, I can even be hood. Just as hood as you. But at the end of the day, you look for them boys. You look for them boys. Excuse me. That is just gross. Did I just do that? Oh, get on my thing. You look for them boys. You sure left them where they was at. You can't blame them for acting like you. Because I see them boys, both them boys, I see you. I've been watching Black Ink since y'all came out. Since before you was even a cast member. When you just used to visit and act the fool. I fucks with you. I fucks with you. I fucks with you. But that wasn't right. Donna. I fucks with you too. I fucks with Donna. But back to Ryan. Hey Ryan. Hey Ryan. Ryan's fine. Why he so fine, y'all? You see his hair? I just want to play in it. I just want to play in his hair. Go kid. Yeah. I love snow crabs, but I love me a good blue crab. Like, when people say that they too little, oh my God, I done dropped my corn in. Come on, corn. Come out, corn. Come out, corn. You wanna know what's funny? Is that people be doing this shit, right? And they be extra as fuck for mukbang. But me, I dead ass eat like this. My nigga be looking at me like, bitch. Is you really gonna eat that like? Yes. Yes. Yes, the fuck I am. Yes. I'm going to eat it. Just look at, oh God, thank God I ain't, look at, I can't even get, I'm gonna get that off. Here you go. I'm just gonna eat the rest of these, y'all. I don't even know much more to talk about. I just had to get that. Hey, Ryan. Hey, Ryan. He's fine. I gotta hurry up before my man get home. Cause he ain't off none of this shit. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? About mukbang. Right now, bitch, you looking for attention. I ain't looking for attention, daddy. You get that shit to me. I'm good. Woo. Oh my gosh, just when I thought I was done. I thought I was done to finish. And look. And look. I only got one corn left though. Guess we gotta get to cracking. I have on it. I think I was supposed to like use a scissor or something, but I ain't got time for all that shit. I'm not supposed to be cursing. I was supposed to be giving up. That's, you know, it's Lent for me. I'm Christian. Christian girl. Christian woman. However you call it. And around Lent, you're supposed to give up something. So, I'm giving up profanity, supposed to. Since I said I was giving up profanity, and I cursed about 1,511 times. Like, what the? So, we're going to see how this going to go. But, you know. God knows my heart. He knows. He knows. He knows my heart. He knows I try. He knows I try. But I want to try harder. You know? And where, oh my God. And where I go wrong is traffic. I got road rage. I be trying not to. I be cursing people out. Like, why people gotta drive so fucking stupid? See? I'm gonna try to go the rest of this video without cursing. Why people gotta be so effing stupid when they drive, huh? What is it with people stopping? It's a green light. Flow of traffic over here in New Jersey. Traffic is 25, right? How y'all just stopping in front of people? People, get your grandmothers off the road. Get them a ride. I call somebody grandmother B every day. I don't be know. But, I did good with this. Look, I get to dip it. Because, you know, I'm at the end now. Hey, Ryan. Let me stop. My man gonna come in here like, who the fuck is Ryan? Blacking. He fine. That's a fine man. I'm almost done. I'm trying to hurry up this video before my man get home. I sound like I'm cheating on my man, right? Hurry up before my man get home. Okay, quiet. Okay, girl. Oh, here come my bed, y'all. Hey, babe. All right, one more left, y'all. And this was fun. I might have to do this more often. You know, I was a little shy at first. You know, because I don't be doing it. I don't usually do this. Getting all comfortable so fast. But I'm going to end this tape, video, or whatever. My butter sauce was so good. Look what's left. That's it. I'm done. I am all done with my mop. I ain't gonna be able to use. Did I? What was that? It definitely was. If that's not a ghetto mukbang, mm, mm, mm. I don't know what is. Good night.